Hi guys, I'm a proud dad of my Tres Marias. My eldest on the left side is already a professional working in US now, a regular medical laboratory scientist. On the right side is my second daughter, also a professional already and is working in a physical therapy clinic. The third one is a incoming third year BSIT student in De La Salle University. Proud to be father of this very beautiful and talented Tres Marias. Thanks be to God. It's worth the hard work.